Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create this line text transitions with Capcut. Before we begin, let's see how it looks. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment down below. With that being said, let's get started. Add your video into Capcut, then add your text. Use your desired font. Go to Animation. Select Open for In Animation for 0.8 seconds. For Out Animation, select Wipe Down. Let's add another text. This one will be an empty text. Go to Styles, select Bold and Italic. Tap on the spacebar many times. Add Open Animation for 0.8 seconds. Move the line text to the top. Add a keyframe where the in animation stops. And at the ending parts, use keyframe to bring down the line text. Now see how it looks. Extend the line text. Add the second text. Go to Animation. Select Wipe Up for In Animation. Horizontal Close for Out Animation for 0.8 seconds each. Adjust the second text and see how it looks. And change the Out Animation to Horizontal Close. So here's the final results. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.